So you may have seen my video a couple of weeks ago. I put a video out for Optical Factor. They are a glasses manufacturer of prescription glasses, which I was a little bit fascinated by because I always fancied a pair of really nice cycling glasses, something like these, and they made me a pair and they sent me a pair with my prescription in for my glasses, and I thought that was a really cool idea. And these ones are a right buzz. If you haven't seen these, have a look at these. They come with different color lenses that you can clip on and have a ride of your life. But it didn't stop there. I went back on their website to have a look and see what other things they did, and they do prescription safety glasses. Now, I work in a yard, I work in a factory in my daytime, and yeah, I have to wear prescription safety glasses. So of course I have to take my own glasses off and put on some prescription ones. And these guys actually make prescription safety glasses. But not only do they make prescription safety glasses to your optical, you know, your glasses prescription, they are a really reasonable price. I bought myself a pair several years ago before my eyes have changed slightly, and they cost me about £80, £80 to £90, and I've still got them. I still use them. My prescription's changed slightly, but you know, I wanted a new prescription, an up-to-date prescription like my glasses, and I looked at these and I thought, wow. So they've sent me two pairs, which is fantastic. I got a bit of a choice as well. These are a black and yellow. These are the Aubrey. They are in different colours. They do the black and yellow, which is what I've got on. They do a yellow and silver. They do like a blue and clear and an orange and clear colour. But I thought I'd go something simple, keep it black with a little bit of touch of yellow. They got the side panelling on them, of course, for protecting your eyes on the sides, because they're no good with safety glasses unless they protect your eyes all the way around. And they got a rubber inset on the front, so you've got a bit of rubber that sits on your face, and you've got a bit of rubber that sits on your nose as well, so they're quite comfortable. They're not bad at all, and they wrap around the side of my ears quite comfortably as well, so when I've got my ear muffs on, it should be fine. These retail at £25. What a difference. What an absolute difference to have a pair of safety glasses for only £25. They do all sorts of glasses as well, not just safety glasses. They do swimming stuff, they do goggles, they do everything. So I would love a pair of prescription goggles. I don't actually know whether they do the prescription ones, but if they do, I'm going to be delving in and having a look. The other pair they sent me are these. These are completely black, these ones, and these are the Devon. Now Devon, they did these in a yellow and like a clear colour, grey, yellow, clear, and they did them in a plain black. Well, I got a plain black pair just because I got them for work and I thought they'd be fine. It's nice and simple and easy. I think I prefer these. I prefer the Devon ones again. They just seem to fit a little bit slightly different on my face. They're very similar. There's not a lot of difference in these. I think it's just the arms that are slightly different on the outside. And these again, £25 for these safety glasses. So that's all I wanted to do. Just show you the two pairs of safety glasses that they sent us. Let you know that they do these sort of things, and just to keep you in the know. I have a code as well. If you use my code Paul10, you will get 10% off. So if these are £25 a pair and you want a pair of safety glasses, knock yourself off £2.50 and use my code. These are fantastic. I'm really going to be trying them out at work, seeing how I get on with them, and these are the up-to-date prescription, and I think I'm going to do just fine. And let's face it, if I don't like them and I fancy a new pair, for £25 it's no big deal. I paid nearly £90 for my last pair, so yeah, can't beat it. Optical Factor, have a little look on the link on the website, use my code Paul10 and you get yourself a discount, and just see what they got on there. They've got all sorts of stuff on there and they're well worth a look. Ciao for now, see you soon.